Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get command block in Minecraft. Firstly, from the Minecraft home screen, click single player. Select create new world, then set allows cheats on, then click create a new world. Now open your world and press the escape key to access the pause menu. Then click open to LAN. Toggle the LAN or allow sheets to on and select start LAN world. Press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat window and type the following command, which is /give at p minecraft.command/block. This command will block in your inventory if entered correctly. Then now right click on the mouse to place the command block. Then right click on the command block to input your commands. Use a redstone signal to activate it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.